Hello, my name is Misaki Saka. I'm working as an intern at Saga Asia Consulting Company. Today, I would like to talk about the new companies law in Myanmar. The new company laws of Myanmar came into effect from August 1st, 2018. The history of Myanmar's old Companies Act was long. It was enacted in 1940 under the British law and was not being amended for 100 years. I will going to explain the major changes made by the new Companies Law. First of all, under the old Company Act, a company with at least one foreign capital was defined as a foreign companies. This definition is also applied to the Transfer of Immovable Property Restriction Act, where foreign companies is restricted to lease a piece of real estate only 1 year. Under the new Companies Law, a foreign company is defined under section as a company with over 35% of foreign capital. However, it stipulates in the new Companies Law that this definition does provision of the Transfer of Immovable Property Restriction Act. Hence, we have to consider carefully about how the government deals with judge to real estate lease by a foreign company. Secondly, under the new Companies Law, it required only one person to hold the shares of companies, and the nominal or par value of shares and authorized capital has been abolished. The new Companies Law also stipulates proceedings to issue the class of shares. Also, at least one director must be ordinarily resident in Myanmar who is staying 183 days or more per year. From those changes, company could be founded more simply. Third, under the old Companies Act, it was necessary for a foreign company to establish an entity in Myanmar in the form of either a local corporation or a branch office only. There were problems as a clear procedure about the branch office establishment. However, in the new Companies Law, the branch is changed to the overseas corporation, and the establishment procedure is clearly specified in the new Companies Law. Last but not least, company registration should be done in the online registration system of the Investment Companies Management Office. For their already registered companies, it is necessary to re-register by the electronic registration system by January 31, 2019. In conclusion, the investment environment in Myanmar has been improved by the new investment law from April 2017 and the enforcement of this new Companies Law. Therefore, I expected that the foreign investment will increase in Myanmar. However, enforcement issue is also important, and whether or not the new company law will be successful will depend on the enforcement and administration of the authorities involved. Thank you for watching.